It's my easy bacon and egg breakfast pizza. So first, let's start with the sauce. I have some marinara sauce. I'm thinking about a breakfast pizza. How do I bring marinara sauce into breakfast? Well, I like spicy sausage with my breakfast, so I've got some sambal and some maple syrup, because I love the maple syrup just running all over the what? The bacon. Look, bacon. So that's the ingredients for my sauce. A little bit of that leftover marinara, some sambal, and some maple syrup. I'm gonna put that in there too. And then just give it a stir. That bacon is crisped in the oven and then just chopped down. All right, so let me show you this dough. The pizza dough, I just bought it in the freezer section, defrosted it overnight, and then I put it into a bowl and let it rise in the refrigerator and then at room temp for a couple of hours. So I don't do all of that punching it down and rolling it out with the flour because I'm cooking outside. So I just take that ball, make it into 4 parts. You can make 4 small pizzas, and then you're just gonna get it into your pan and put it into the grill as high as you can get that grill. You're just going for it to be kind of par cooked. Still has a little bit of bend to it, not completely rigid. And the reason you do that is so when you put all the sauce and stuff on it, you don't have like a soggy center of your pizza. You see that going on? Good stuff. All right, some of that sauce here. And then I'm gonna get some cheese on. My cheese blend is mozzarella, shredded Monterey Jack and cheddar, and some Swiss. Any of your melting cheeses that you like, a good cup. And just kind of disperse it. It's okay if you get some cheese around the edges there. That's where all that cheese is gonna caramelize for you. All right, now it's a good time to get the eggs into the game plan. I like to kind of make a little spot for the eggs to hang out so they don't slide to the edge. A little bit of a divot in the center, and then just pour them right in. All right, I'm gonna get this into my grill, super high heat. It only takes about 10 minutes. You'll notice when you look around the edges and it's a little bit golden brown. Look at this baby. Ooh-wee! Woo-woo-woo! Deliciousness on 10. So right now is the time when I like to get a little bit of black pepper on it. Sprinkle high. And then I like to come in and just take care of the yolks with a little bit of salt right over the top. And then just kind of come in here and release the beast. Look at that. All that work we did doing the par bake, you see how nice and rigid that bottom is? That's gonna translate to crunch. All right, you ready for the crunch? Oh, break into that right there. You know I want that yolk. You hear that crunch? So good. But, I mean, it's all there. The bacon, the eggs. The bacon still has chew to it. Don't worry about putting it in that sauce. It's such a quick, high heat cook in that grill. It's delicious, and it's what's for breakfast.